So guys, we'll look for our engine. We'll install it. And this is sometimes the outcome. This engine have an internal lock that no one will know unless you put it in and install it. No fault of the mechanic, no fault of the supplier. Sometime on the supplier part, sometimes you know, and he just doesn't want to say. However, we live in times where you trust no one. So, this is what is happening here. This is a new model Axio with a 2NR engine. Original engine lost compression. Owner had filled diesel in the engine and apparently run the vehicle. So I don't know if that caused severe damage inside internally. The vehicle wasn't started when we had it installed, so had to remove injectors, check injector pulses which was present, clean out the fuel rail, pulse the injectors on the injector pulsar machine, and now it started. However, this is the outcome. Engine have to be replaced. So done a warranty though, so supposed to get one. This engine is valued at $9,000 head and block. We took about almost 2 weeks to source this engine, so this will be another task to find this engine. So this is the situation here.
Strivers Auto Garage. Check us out at Princess Town, Barakpur, your car's new doctor.